neighbor go?
Over there.
Where?
I don't know. Paying attention to his fireworks show on video, not her. Probably inside. Go in the house.
Yes, she did. She went to get her drink.
Okay.
I was about to go.
I'm just gonna make sure.
Okay, thank you. I was about to.
This happens all the time in America. When it's July 4th. You can hear it somewhere else. Do you hear that, Mom?
Hear what?
The other fireworks shows.
I'm seeing how sweaty you look.
What?
Not very.
Yeah, I know. I wonder what Sally's doing. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9:37, and they're doing this till.
They just started it 20 minutes ago.
I know, but it's
Not even.
that's a long time for constant fireworks. I can hear it echoing from the other side of the lake, Mom.
Okay.
This is what's going to happen to y'all's country if y'all get taken over by America.
I know it's already past your bedtime right now. It's 9:40. Yeah, it's already way past your bedtime. That's okay. It's 4th of July.
It's 3rd of July.
It's the 3rd of July, but we're celebrating.
Yeah,
4th of
Mom.
July.
The 3rd.
Well, I don't know why they're doing it in the normal 3rd. Everybody's doing it on the 3rd.
Because everyone's going to be busy the 4th.
Yeah, doing this.
A ton of people are going to be here, so they want to give people time to do it their own family thing tomorrow. Over?
No.
It's been going for a long time. A lot of those people who I saw walking look like one of my teachers. Don't get in the way, Ava.
She can't block the sky. Oh, on your phone.
Yeah, she was on my phone. I'm trying to record a video. She keeps walking back, forth, back, forth. I'm ready to go home.
So, Zeva, I told her we could. I don't want to stay till 10 though.
I don't. Why you want to stay till 10?
It's only been going on for 20 minutes. We waited longer than you've been watching.
I know, but 20 minutes of straight fireworks is a lot. Then they take like a 20-second. Why is the EMTs leaving? Or the EMS? Well, the EMS are still probably going to be needed. Or it's not like the EMS don't have to be here anymore since people are leaving. Look at that, the EMS are leaving. I know a lot of people are leaving, but
okay, but what's on there?
The EMS don't have to leave.
Why? So maybe they're coming to find a different person.
Maybe, I don't know. I know that someone's shining their lights right at us. And that someone parked in front of us. I noticed the EMS parked in front of us. Oh, come on. Got two things flashing now. Seizures and not. Mom, somehow whenever we used to have these fireworks, Mom, somehow when we used to have these fireworks shows, we had more accidents than they did. Yeah, like once one fell over and Mom, remember when it was sitting in the back of the side by side?
Yeah.
And it fell over and blew up. Yeah, and also once one fell over and like a missile chased me. I am. Maybe. I'm recording the fireworks.
Huh?
Mom, because baby, you're a firework. It's hot and I'm tired.
Mommy, I'm going to different school when I go in school.
Why?
You
Why you
can't.
like your school? You can't though. I don't get to choose. I don't get to choose.
Why not?
Y'all both got good schools.
But
Mine's a decent school at best, okay?
It's pretty good. You
I
know
have
it
to
is.
work.
What? Huh?
Mom, you're saying my school
You're
is
gonna have a new teacher.
Mom, you're saying my school is good, but
Well, now you'll have a different teacher. At least you'll know her. That's good. You don't want to not know your teacher.
Yes, it is. As you may know, it's about 94 degrees out here. And the fireworks aren't helping. Mom, I bet you tomorrow is going to be the day where the most smoke is created.
Diane.
Yeah. Call her that by her first name.
Yeah, but why you call me that?
You're supposed to say Mom. I've recorded over like 25 minutes. I might have to cut this into 3 parts. Guys, part 3 should be out by the time you're seeing it. If there's a part 3. Okay, if there's one more firework, part 3. Fine.